What's up? Big Herc 916, Muscle Up. I'm out here in Chandler, Arizona, checking out a car show. It's not really a car show, it's a car facility that they have cars stored at, and people share their cars. And I was fortunate enough to talk with this gentleman about this Cobra. I think you guys will really enjoy. So hit that like button, subscribe, share the channel, and for all you Cobra guys, tune in. So, this is cool. This guy's had this Cobra since its purchase. Aluminum body right here. Oh wow, it's this amazing car right here. They said it was in a movie that Elvis drove. So Elvis actually drove this car in a movie. Very rarely do you see a car that somebody's had from original purchase. Oh, this is cool.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good.
Is your car?
Huh? No. Well, I'm caretaker.
Caretaker? I was just saying I've only seen one other person that had a Cobra since it was purchased, and there was a guy in Orange County. He was like 83 years old, and he goes to the car show. This older brother, and he drives the car still.
I know him.
You know that guy?
I know who you're talking
Yeah,
about.
and I've seen him at car shows. I'm like, man, you're my hero. You're still getting out. You're driving your car, and it's like, with the clutch. I'm like, that's amazing. You don't see people driving these cars.
Well, he's getting out because he's at the car show.
That's what I mean. So it's like, to see that, I'm like, I want to be, still going out. And
that's why I have to finish mine,
yeah,
so I don't outgrow the seats.
Well, yeah. Well, yeah, you really do want to dive in. I mean, that's why
this is so cool. I met one of the guys who worked with Carroll Shelby at that Los Angeles airport when they were building all the cars.
LAX,
before,
yeah.
LAX, yeah. He's British guy, and now he works on Rolls Royce and Bentleys. He's in the Fairfax area. He has a shop out there, but he was on the documentary on Netflix when they were talking about when Shelby was bringing the people in, and he would paint the car one color one week, and then he would sell that one, then he would paint it a different color and sell it again.
Oh, they used that first car was about 8 different colors.
Yeah,
just
yeah.
to get it out.
I thought that was amazing how he was able to sell that same car multiple times and get funding. Wow, this is super cool. Aluminum body.
Coeur d'Alene. That's my best client, Coeur d'Alene.
Lothar was the first owner. You can see that.
96.
See Lothar?
Quite an investment. 10 grand.
This is the first Can-Am at Laguna Seca with Jim Hall, Hap Sharp, Roger Penske, and there it is there.
Oh wow!
Holy moly!
Oh, Penske.
You have to put all these pictures on AC Cobra. There will be people passing out at home on the Arizona Cobra Club thing. Look at that.
These are all the inter-office memos. The car was sold to J.D. Hurt. Lothar traded it back to Shelby, and then Hurt bought it for $8,200 and didn't take possession until after. You want to take possession after the first of the year for tax reasons.
Oh, okay.
So MGM Studios rented it along with 2 others, and this is it here for the movie spin-off.
What year was that?
1966.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look at that. They paid him as much as he paid for the car.
There's the original certificate of origin.
Wait. I get a picture of Elvis.
I'll get you a better picture.
Okay.
And then anyway, after it got out of the movie, it got damaged during the movie.
Oh,
So
you're kidding me.
They got hurt in another car,
There was a spin up.
and so they sold it to Donald Peckham for $3,100. And that's Donald driving it. I talked to him before he passed away. Interviewed him over the phone.
Nice.
And this is
Did you used to write for a magazine?
no.
No.
This is a competition press ad in '66 for this car, and then this is an ad for his street car, and he sold them both at the same time. So it was sold to a guy in Chicago, and he had his sales manager drive it in a race at both Marlboro and this other track, Wilmot, Wisconsin, and it went all the way with him. Set track record at the course. And then it was in numerous car shows.
That's
Painted.
amazing provenance.
Painted yellow.
But
Then
yeah.
it was damaged, and supposedly, according to the registry, it fell off a trailer, hit a tree, and caught fire. But I talked to Bill Morrison, and he said that's not what happened.
That was a story.
He said that's, and then George Stauffer bought the remains of it and sent everything to England. And George Stauffer's from Blue Mountain, Wisconsin. He's the one that wrote the book on the Daytona.
So he had it rebodied.
Yeah, these are the
Oh, there you go.
Polaroid pictures from England when they were doing the recommission. And then I got a call from Rod Leach in England saying, "I see your car's for sale." He said, "Yeah." And he said, "Would you like to have a picture of it the day it was finished at the works?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." So he sent me a picture right here. And he said, "This was hit my car here, and this is your car." And so it was finished. And that picture I showed you with Jerry Titus driving the Elva being overtaken by Lothar. Well, this is Jerry Titus's son Rick at Laguna Seca driving this car. So these are all. So there it is during the movie, the filming.
Who's driving it? Stunt guy?
Stunt guys, and Elvis is in some of them. But this picture here is probably the best. It's got Elvis working on it. Of course, it's a promo shot.
Well, how about that? Let me squeeze by. That is something.
Yeah, who knows what number this car is? That's also a big factor.
What number this one is? What number is this? 12.
Wow. Number 12?
Yeah.
Wow.
12 of like 16.
Wow. 427 aluminum body.
And some more history.
That's a hell of a story, man. That's cool. I just happened to stumble into this garage with these other guys, and he has the whole history of this Cobra in this video. You never know what you stumble across, man. And this car has never left Phoenix, and you would never know it's sitting in this garage in the middle of nowhere, pretty much, because it's kind of hidden. But yeah, great opportunity to talk to some cool people about a very historical Cobra. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Big Herc 916, muscle up. Go to the Herc store at bigherc916.com and pick you up a bar of soap so you can wash that ass, or pick you up some Never Settle for Average merch, or some of the Muscle Up Car Lifestyle merch. We have hats, Never Settle for Average, got the Muscle Up t-shirts. We also have the Never Settle for Average tank tops. Got the Muscle Up Car Lifestyle hoodies. Got the beanie caps. Hey man, represent. And I know you guys aren't average, so pick you up some swag and step your game up. Hello, my name is Big Herc 916, and I'm with the Wash Your Ass Committee, and I'm traveling across America helping people wash their ass and get their booty holes clean. And I have with me here today Wash Your Ass soap, and this one in particular is Butt Naked Scrub, but I also have Festival, Oatmeal Milk and Honey, Jamaican Me Crazy, Monkey Farts, and all these scents smell very good. They will help cleanse your body of funk and also make you feel better about yourself. So if you can go to bigherc916.com, you can pick you up a bar. And my goal is to help America combat funk.